Okay, for question 9 and 10. This is also Earth geometry, but instead of calculating distance like we did before, we'll be trying to determine what time. So let's read the question. The city of New York in the USA has a time zone of GMT minus 3. So New York, GMT minus 3. Sydney has a GMT of plus 7. Okay. There's a game, sporting match. It begins at 7 p.m. on a Thursday. We need to determine what time it's going to be. So we need to determine what time. Okay, so first things first, let's find out how ahead Sydney is of New York. So if I've got GMT 0 in the center, I'm going to put New York at over here. So New York minus 3, and we'll put Sydney at positive 7. And so the difference there is 10 hours. Or you can look at it as 7 plus 3, and that's your 10 hours. Okay, so now that we've done that, we know a sporting match in New York is going to start at 7 p.m. on a Thursday. We want to know what time and day will be in Sydney. So we know Sydney is ahead 10 hours, so 7 p.m. plus 10 hours is equal to 5 a.m. the following day on a Friday. It's simple as that, 3 marks. Okay, question 10. So this one, it's given you 2 points, New Orleans and Hong Kong. They are on the same line of latitude, and we need to get the angular distance of the longitudes. They are at different points, one's west, one's east, and if they're different we add, if they were same we subtract. So in this case, angular distance is going to be 114 plus 90 and that is 204. So that's 204 degrees, and now you need to know that 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, so this you're gonna have to remember. So if I've got 204 degrees, the time difference, which is what we're trying to look for, will be 4 times 204. That is 816 minutes, which is, if I divide that by 60 minutes, I will get 13 hours and 36 minutes. So that's question 9 and 10. Alright, we'll quickly go through question 11 as well. The first one says, determine the city that's located approximately 30 degrees north and 30 degrees east. That's 30 degrees north, that's 30 degrees east, and the city that's there is Cairo. The second question says, determine the latitude and longitude coordinates of Sydney, Australia. Okay, so where's Sydney? It's right there, so I want to look for that point there, and we can see that's 150 east. So I can say about 35 degrees south and 150 degrees east. That's it. So that's question 11. That was 10 we just did. 9.